height was the first mistake. A shallow breath was all I could take. The floorboards hummed in that rusted van. He had a vision, he had a plan, but he didn't check the shadow in my eyes. All the way a corn spirit never dies. So he reached for the lock, a smirk on his face. Welcome to his quiet little place. He thought he caught a rabbit, soft and small. He didn't see the wolf behind the wall. The air got thin, the room went black, but I'm the kind of storm that hits you back. Now the shovel sing a heavy metal tune underneath the cold light of a jagged moon. You took my breath, so I took your pulse. Iron in the dirt, nothing left of us. I'm walking out of the woods today, but you're the one who's gonna stay. Down, down, 6 feet deep, a secret that the hemlocks keep. Light flickered a dull yellow stain. He turned his back to hide the chain. I didn't scream, I didn't pray, I just felt the weight of the ceramic tray. One swing for the fear, one swing for the night. One final strike to make it right. It hit the floor like a sack of lead. The monsters quiet when the monster's dead. The woods are wide, the woods are vast. The future's bright, the past is past. Drag the weight across